Welcome back to Success Zone, everyone. We hope you're doing well. For many people, it is often not possible to put in too much effort or invest a lot into a job, but they really need the income. Thankfully, passive income provides a solution to this problem. Passive income is essentially all about earning without putting a lot into a job. And with the economy witnessing a major shift to online mode, passive income ways have become much more accessible and easy. Many of these jobs also ensure that you're not just earning at the present, but also in the future. So, in this video, we'll be discussing 10 legit ways to make passive income online. Stick around to the very end of the video and see what method of making money is the best for you. Number 10, blogging. Now, blogging is one of the oldest and most conventional methods of earning passive income online, but to make the best out of this method, you must keep in view some aspects. Firstly, select a good niche for your blog and try to keep it as relatable as possible, because the goal is to attain traffic on your website. Secondly, try your best to handle your blog yourself instead of working for someone else. In this way, not only will you be the master of your art, but your earnings will be all yours too. Also, aim for website hosts that are rather professional, such as WordPress or Wix.com. Lastly, the key to any successful blog is perseverance and promotion. Bloggers could be paid by Google Ads or the web, for example. It is considered the best means of passive income because there are websites with content that have visitors even after years of being uploaded. So the money is coming constantly in your account in this case. Number 9, dropshipping. Starting your business with a zero investment and zero contribution is what dropshipping is. Yes, you might be surprised, but that is right. All you need for this method of making passive income online is an idea of what exactly you want to sell with some design copyrights. The design could be of t-shirts, caps, jackets, mugs, or in some cases, it could even be a logo. So it makes it even easier. All you need to do is design a logo and upload it on sites like Printful. They will make, print, and deliver the required products to customers who will be buying your logo printed items. In return, you'll be getting profit on the products, which are even more than 50% in some cases. Also, you can make your shop with completely customized designs and link them with platforms like Spreadshop that will take over any order you will receive. And in return, you will make hustle-free money. This is one of the best methods of making a good amount of passive income online. Number 8, sell on eBay. Okay, now this might sound a little off track, but you might have heard the famous saying that one man's trash is another man's treasure. That is what we are trying to improvise in this method. There are several things in our houses that are lying there for ages and are of no use to us. But, well, either we do not have a platform to sell them or time to take them to retailers. So the solution is right in front of your eyes. All you need is to list them on eBay, and if any of your items are sold, the payment is automatically transferred to your account with a little fee deducted by eBay. So those passive items could be turned into passive money income by this method. Also, over the years, you will spot many items that will be of no use for you, so just do the same with them and make money easily, sitting from the comfort of your own home. Number 7, affiliate marketing. So here we are with our number 1 method of making passive income online. It is indeed one of the best, tried and tested methods of making online income. Affiliate marketing is creating a link as such of a network marketer with any of the brands or e-commerce websites such as Shopify, Amazon, or Alibaba. All you need will be to endorse their products, either through a YouTube channel, website, or blog. Every time a person approaches their website using your link, you will be paid. There are types of affiliate marketing. One is a cost per click, the second is a cost per lead, and the third one is a cost per sale. All of them are equally effective and have their perks. It is considered the most effective method of passive income mainly because of the huge revenues it generates. Also, it works for a rather long time as compared to other methods. Number 6, make a YouTube channel. This one is by far one of the most famous methods of making passive income online. It is just that it is a little time consuming, so many other people give up during the journey. But let us crack the code for you people today. We hope that you are aware of what it is like to open a YouTube channel. However, there are some aspects that you need to keep in view. Firstly, the niche which you are choosing is very important. Not only should it be relatable, but also global. Since generating revenue on YouTube is dependent on both the number of viewers you are getting and the country from where the viewers belong. Views from Middle Eastern countries do not get you much money, but views from countries like the USA can indeed boost up your income. So that is why your niche and language of communication should be something of global reach. Secondly, you should be regular. Lastly, and most importantly, you should keep promoting your channel. We hope these tricks will help you achieve your goal, earning money through YouTube. Number 5, stock images selling. Stock photography is a great revenue generating method. You can carry on selling your photos while continuing your passion of photography without being into a hustle. All you need to do is to list your photos for sale on some of the big and small stock images websites where there are thousands of sellers waiting for good pictures. In this market, good images are always in demand. So why should you doubt your skills? There is a bright chance that your photo might be one of those bought. Some of the websites where you can list your photos include Envato Market's PhotoJune, Alamy, Creststock, and Shutterstock. There is almost 50 to 60% of earnings per download or sale the websites manage to get, which is valid if there is no effort involved. So if you are someone who loves to take a lot of photos or is a photographer by profession, then this is the best method of making passive income for you. Number 4, Android applications. Developing, designing, and selling an online application is one of the best ways of making online income. If you're an IT student, you might have developed Android applications a lot of times, but how many times have you realized that you can turn this skill into money? Well, here we are to guide you in this regard. All you need to do is to develop an application that you think is required in society. It could be a budget-making application, scheduling application, educational application, or even a tourism application. After the successful development of your application, you can directly launch it. It will keep generating income for you even after years of launch. The best part of this method is that you can sell your application anytime you want on platforms like Sell an App. So your passive income could be turned into an active income anytime you want. This advantage of this method makes it one of the most popular methods of 2020. Number 3, e-commerce business. In this era of digital advancements, starting an e-commerce business could never be a flop idea. One might feel in doubt considering the number of online business websites already in function. But throw away your doubt and step into the business as it is still not too late. If the new brands are forming and new companies stepping in every other day, the need for authentic online marketplaces is also increasing. Not every brand, no matter how good it is, has an investment capacity of investing in online promotion at the moment of launch. Your e-commerce website could be a great avenue for such brands where they could endorse their products, and as a result, you can generate revenue both from your website and the brands. This method of passive income is a tried and tested one. However, there are some factors like the design of your website, the work frame of your business, your marketing strategies, and integrity that can affect your success rate relatively. Number 2, sell an online course. You might have heard about this before, but let us state some facts before so that your doubts, if you have any, would be cleared. The age of revolutionizing technology has almost taken us in, and beside businesses getting online, the other major trend towards online transfer is in the field of education. Not only is it convenient this way, but also it reaches a global audience and hence generates more revenue. So what are you waiting for? Generate a course today, preferably a video course, and line it online for sale. Whenever an individual from anywhere in the world will buy it, it will get you back some bucks. Now, courses are of different ranges. Some sell at $15 to others at $25, depending upon their content and domain. Generally, technical courses are sold more and rather expensive. So if you have any technical skills, don't just keep it to yourself and turn it into a means of passive income for yourself. And at number 1, sell an ebook. The number 1 and the easiest way to make some passive income online is to launch an ebook. It could be on any topic, be it a skill you have mastered or a piece of information. It could be a fictional story, a novel, a short story, a collection of poetry, or in simple words, whatever you want to document. Now, you might be wondering how and where to sell this book, so we've got you covered. Believe us, no matter to which extent the technology traverses, reading can never be outdated. There are thousands of people who love to read books, be it online or in print. The thing is, it would not be passive income if you will not be investing money in the publishing of books. So the best means is to upload it to any of the ebook stores. There are websites like Designer out there that will edit your simple Word document into a beautiful ebook. If the book is available online, there are chances that it could be bought, and in this way you can get some money transferred to your account anytime. We hope you like this video and it clears some of your confusion regarding making passive income online. While you are here, there is a link to another video. Do not forget to watch it.